Okay. Assalamualaikum and a very good day to all of you. Today, we will discuss our final exam hint, as well as the assignment. We have 10 questions altogether. And for your final exam, you have to redo again and again for all these 10 questions because the hint is in this question, in all these questions, and then it will come up in your final exam, or there is a hint there for you to answer your final exam. Now with the question number 1, 20 marks, chapter 4, topic cost, volume, profit analysis. Okay, let us read the question together. Primax Berhad is one of the leading companies in Malaysia that manufactures printers and scanners. The company is investigating ways to improve the profitability of its products. The following information is available for the product and the sales of 10,000 units of the printer for the year 2022. Here, the question gives you selling price per unit, 200 ringgit, variable cost per unit, which is we have direct material per unit, direct labor, production overhead, 20 ringgit, 35 ringgit, and fixed cost per annum, 150,000 ringgit. The first question. Okay. The first question is 6 mark. Calculate the break-even point in units and value for the year 2022. I give you this one. Yeah, I give you this one. Sorry. Okay. I give you this one, this slide presentation, cost, volume, profit analysis to all of you to read for the final exam. We have some formula here, which is break even point, sale, break even point on sales, fixed cost. We divided by contribution per unit, contribution margin per unit. And then to have the contribution margin ratio, we have contribution per unit divided by selling price. We have margin of safety and target profit. Okay, here this one you can go through by yourself because this one you can get the formula from here in order for you to answer the question. Okay, this one. Okay, I put here. And this one also. Okay, done. Now let us look at this question and answer it properly. I crop this one first, yeah? I crop this one. Okay, you have the question, yeah? So I remove this one. And then I open my Excel. Okay, let us do one by one. Okay. This one is question 1. Question 1, Primax, Berhad. I'm not sure whether you can see or not. Yeah, Primax Berhad. Okay, the question gives us sales in units or in quantity. Sale in unit and quantity, we have 10,000 unit sale. Okay, we have sale And then we have selling price. Selling price per unit. 1 unit selling price is RM 200,000. RM 200 ringgit. Selling price. Okay. Selling price, we have sale, we have selling price. This one per unit lah, easier for you. Okay, RM, this one 10,000 unit. This one RM 200 ringgit. 200 ringgit. Selling price per unit in RM. 200 ringgit. And then from here, we can get the total sale. Although this one is maybe not we are not using it. Just maybe this one we are not using it, but I'll teach you on how to get this figure. If we need this figure lah, total sale in RM. Total sale in RM. 200 ringgit times by 10,000 unit. You will get 2 million ringgit. Total sale. Total sale, or we can call it total revenue, or we can call it turnover. Sale, revenue, turnover, or income. Yeah. Okay. This is basic understanding of it. Yeah. Okay, total sale, revenue, turnover. Sometimes they call it turnover. Sometimes they call it income. Total sale, total revenue, turnover, and income. Okay, we have selling price, and we have we learned before this about fixed cost, variable cost, fixed cost, variable cost, and mixed cost. Okay, in this question, we have fixed cost and variable cost. Okay, fixed cost, the answer given, the question give you fixed cost per annum or fixed cost per year. Per annum, per year. Annum, per annum, per annum, or per year, or annual. Per annum, per annually, per year. For annual is RM. This one is fixed cost in RM, Ringgit Malaysia in RM 150,000. Okay, this is the fixed cost. Then we have variable cost. Variable cost, okay, we split it into 3 items. The first one is direct material per unit. Direct material per unit. Okay, I'll give you this one too, easier for you, yeah? Okay, this one per unit. This one per annum. Because the question used per annum, and then we put per annum. Per unit per annum. Okay, this one per unit lah, 200 per unit. Okay, this one per annum. So divide this one lah. Okay. Per annum, 2 million. Fixed cost per annum. Okay, direct material is 70 ringgit per unit. Okay. Direct labor per unit. 1 unit 35 ringgit. Okay. And the last one is production or factory or manufacturing. Okay. Overhead. Okay. Sometimes they call it cost. Same time they call it expenses. Production expenses, factory expenses, factory cost, manufacturing overhead, factory overhead, or manufacturing, production, or factory overhead. All these you can this giving the same meaning for your subject, for this subject. Yeah. Okay. The other subject different subject, different understanding lah, different terms used. Okay. For me, for you to get a better understanding, production, factory, manufacturing is almost the same. Production overhead, production cost, production expenses, factory overhead, cost and expenses. Oh. Okay. And then this one is 20. So if you add together this one, you'll get 125. You add this one, all these three, you got 125. Yeah, mixed cost we don't have. Okay, if you can see here, 200 ringgit, we have 125 ringgit, and then we have fixed cost. Okay, fixed cost, this one for better understanding lah, for your understanding. Yeah, if you want to get 1 unit of fixed cost, for example, yeah, for your understanding only. Okay, fixed cost per unit. Okay, if you want the fixed cost per unit 150,000, you divide by 10,000 units, so you will get 15 ringgit per unit. Fixed cost per unit in RM. A simple calculation, but the question we need to check this one. Yeah, this one, if you want in terms of unit, okay, this one per unit. Yeah, per unit. Okay, number one is selling price per unit. Selling price per unit is selling price per unit is 200. Okay, fixed cost per unit equal this one. Variable cost per unit. Okay. This one is direct material, you plus with direct labor, you plus with manufacturing overhead. The point in the question, you put production overhead. Okay. All this is 125. So the total cost for this one is 140. Okay, selling price minus all the costs, fixed costs and variable costs, we have net profit. Net profit per unit. Net profit per unit. Okay. 200 you minus by 150. You got 60 ringgit per unit, net profit per unit in RM. Okay. If let's say total profit or net profit. Okay, this one total profit. This one 60. Times by 10,000. You will get 600. Yeah. Okay, this one is a simple calculation for your question. Okay, let's look at the question. What are the requirements in the question? Okay, the first one, A. What A want you is, okay, the question want you to calculate the break even. to calculate the break even. To calculate the break-even point in unit and in value for the year 2022. Okay, what you need to do is you need to check the formula in this PowerPoint. Okay, the first formula that we need to use is, let me check this one, yeah. Okay. First of all, if this question requires, you need to check the contribution margin per unit. Contribution margin per unit. What is contribution margin per unit? Let us Google together. Contribution margin per unit. Unit contribution margin margin per unit. Okay, this one. Revenue minus variable cost, you divide by total unit. Okay, copy and you paste here. Contribution margin per unit. This is one of the formula. Okay, revenue variable cost, total unit. So you can expand this formula. Okay, to get this one. Copy. You put in this one. Okay. File, I need to save as save. Yeah. I need to save it first. Okay. Or you can use this one. Sale per unit minus total variable cost per unit. Contribution margin. This is the formula. Or you can look at the other formula as well. Copy and paste. I'll give you these three. Or you can get the other formula as well from Mr. Okay. Blue, green, contribution margin, yeah? Clear. So the formula for contribution margin per unit is equal, okay, selling price per unit, or selling price lah. Selling price minus variable cost. Sorry. Or price per unit minus variable cost per unit. It's actually the same, yeah? It's actually the same. Or sales per unit, we minus by total, I take from the formula, yeah? Variable cost per unit. See? It's all the same. One, so don't confuse. Oh, why so many formula? Yeah, this one different lecturer, different author, different book. They give different formula, but okay, actually the same. Yeah. Okay, selling price is around 200 ringgit. Okay, minus by total variable cost per unit. Okay, let's look at this. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3. Sorry, yeah. Here we have here 1, 2, 3, and then we have the figure variable cost. This one is total variable cost per unit. One, 2, 5. Yeah. So here RM 200 ringgit minus by RM 70 ringgit plus RM 35 ringgit plus RM 20 ringgit. Okay. Then you will get RM 200 ringgit. You minus by RM 12500. And the sorry, and the answer is RM 75 ringgit. One, yeah. Contribution margin per unit. What do you mean by contribution margin per unit is, okay, this one lah yang just now. Selling price per unit, okay, 200. $200 minus variable cost per unit. 1,125. Then you got contribution. Contribution margin. Okay. 200 minus 125. Then we have fixed cost. Yeah, cost per unit. For example, here, yeah. Okay, this one we get 15 ringgit. Okay. And then we have contribution margin here. After fixed cost, this one minus this one. You got net contribution margin. Our contribution margin, this one, you got net profit, for example. Net profit. Okay. So contribution margin by percentage, yeah. Okay. 75, you divide by 200 lah. You got 38%. Okay. This one 100%. Okay. This one is this one divided by this one. Variable cost, this one, and then this one you divide by sale. You will get this one, and this one you divide by sale. You got the percentage. Okay. Where you need to use this one? Okay, when this one. Okay. Okay. Contribution margin ratio. Contribution per unit, you divide by selling price. This one, yeah, you will get 38% contribution margin ratio. Okay. If you want to take break even percent, fixed cost, divide by contribution per unit. Yeah. Okay, you can use there are a lot of there is a lot of. What's that?
My pen is so old and the pretty.
Okay. Okay. We rest first. Yeah. We rest first, and then we'll come back again.
Okay, lah. You ready over here? I change my faces. Got a poop inside.
Okay. We rest first. Yeah.
You ready over? I'm ready. So retire with the worry.
Welcome back. Okay. Okay, net profit, contribution margin per unit, 75. This one, yeah, contribution margin per unit, contribution margin ratio. This one, yeah. Okay. And then you got the contribution margin. Then you let us continue with break even. BREK, break even. Okay, what is break even? Break even is no profit, no loss. No profit, no loss. Okay. Some contribution break even point. Okay. This is your break even point where there is no profit or no loss. That's why we call it break even. Okay. How many unit that you need to sell in order for you to get the break even where there is no loss, no gain. Revenue, cost, the same. Break even. Break even point. BEP, break even point in units. Okay. How many units that you need to produce in order for you to maintain or to get the zero profit? Revenue, revenue, revenue or sales equal to cost or expenses. Revenue or sale equal to cost or expenses. Okay. For example, yeah. For example, okay, revenue RM 100,000 equal to cost RM 100,000. So no profit, no loss. Okay. The formula that we use is Okay, break even, yeah, no profit, which means that net profit, this one is zero. Net profit is zero. Yeah. So contribution minus fixed cost, you get zero. Okay. If you look at this one, okay, I copy back, copy, I insert here. For example, yeah, this one here, I insert. Copy, I insert here. Okay. Selling price, okay, fixed cost must be 75 also to get the break-even point. This one is break-even, means zero profit. BREK, break-even point. BOP. Zero profit. Okay. The formula, you can get the formula from the internet. Break-even point in units equal to fixed cost, just now, fixed cost, yeah? Fixed cost minus, okay, contribution margin per unit. Sorry. Fixed cost insert symbol this one. Fixed cost close. Fixed cost, yeah, fixed cost. Divide by contribution per unit. Why you take this one? You take this formula.
Huh? What's that? What?
No. So yeah,
Huh?
break even point formula. Okay. This one.
Ah, I need your tea. I need your tea. This one too. What do I?
Okay, you see this one?
What?
Cross margin. This one.
How much? I was see. Where's the ball? Let's see. Let's see. Oh,
You
that's
can
right.
use cross margin as well.
Oh no. So dead. I got it wrong. No, that's
Okay, break even.
this.
Or you can all get all the formula here.
Huh? Yes. Is it okay? Oh.
You can get a lot of copy. Yeah. It's all the same, yeah. Fixed cost, you divide by contribution margin per unit. Fixed cost is RM 150,000. Yeah. You divide by contribution margin just now is RM 75. Or this one. Okay. Then you got this one is 2,000 units. Open 11. So in unit, the answer is this one, 2,000 units. Okay. Break even point in value, BEP. Okay, in value, how much? Okay, what are the sales here? Sales equal to expenses. So what are the total sale or the total expenses the unit is 2,000 unit. Okay, break even point. You times dengan you times. Okay, this one is the formula is BEP in units. You times by the selling price. 2,000 units. Okay. You times by RM 200. And you will get RM 4,000. Okay, 4,000, yeah? Okay, let's look at this one. Come, we try. Okay, break even means revenue, okay, equal to cost. Cost or expenses. Okay, revenue is RM 200 times by 2,000 units. Okay, then you will get RM 4,000 units.
What is standing? Standing for the place. What's standing?
The cost is 2,000 units. The cost is FVC. Variable cost here. Variable cost plus fixed cost. Equal to variable cost is RM 125. Right, we times by 2,000 units. And then you plus with the fixed cost RM 150,000. Okay. Check your calculator. 125 times 2,000. 250. RM 250 0,000. You plus with RM 150 0,000. This one. So no profit. Revenue equal to cost. The formula, yeah. Insert text box. No fee, like straight. This is the formula. Revenue equal to cost. Break even. So the question is 6 marks, yeah? 6 marks. Let me check, yeah. Let's see. So 6 marks, from where you get the 6 mark? 2 marks here. Yeah, 2 marks here. 2 marks. And then 2 marks here. Two marks here. And then 2 marks here. You got 6 marks. 2 marks, 2 marks, and 2 marks. 6. Settle A. Then you go to B. B, calculate the most margin of safety, MOS, in unit and in value. Again, you have the formula here that you can use. can use this formula. Okay, you need to remember all this formula. Yeah, the question we will not give you the formula.
Ini satu. Ini satu. Satu.
Okay. For example, you copy all this one, yeah, all this.
It's still broken. It's still what I've been doing.
Okay, this one, or this one. You can Google, yeah, you can Google it because this subject is a normal subject. It's a normal subject. Everybody is studying the same topic, the same topic, the same subject. For all the university in Malaysia, if you learn about this management accounting, and then all of us will using the same around the world, the same formula around the world, the same topic around the world. This one you can easily get from internet. All this formula, this one, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Calculate the margin of safety in unit and value. Okay, margin. MOS, yeah, margin of safety. MOS, margin of safety per unit. Margin of safety per unit. We call it MOS. Per unit. Okay. The formula that we will use is, yeah, margin of safety. We use in unit is sales volume, minus with break-even point in units. Okay, margin of safety. Okay, if we look at this one, which one is margin of safety? This one. Okay. How many unit is safe? It is in safe level. Okay. The difference between MOS with baby. I got class. Okay, this one, yeah, you see. This is margin of safety. The difference between your actual sale and the break even. Margin of safety. The difference between actual sale minus the break even. The different, this one is, we call it margin of safety. This different, yeah, we call it margin of safety. So this one is very simple. 10,000 units, you minus by 2,000 units. And then you will get the difference is 8,000 units. Settle. And for this, you will get 2 marks. One, two.
Huh? Separate. It is a
Copy.
and then I like and one. I stay. And 5, 4, 7, 8, 7, 1, 7, 2, 7, 3, 7, 6, okay.
This is my problem. I'm coughing. Okay, 2 unit, 2 marks. And then margin of safety in value. Yeah. MOS in value. Okay. The formula is very simple. Simple lah. MOS per unit. And you want the value yen. You times by selling price. 8,000. You times by RM 200. So sale, say that you get the different, the sales different between break-even point and actual sales is RM 1.6 million. The sales different, yeah. And you will get 2 marks here. 4 marks altogether. Okay, then C. C only 2 marks. Calculate the number of printer that must be sold if the business wishes to earn a profit of 3,000, 300 units. Okay, how many printer that the company need to sell in order for you to get the target profit? Okay. This is target profit formula. Okay, target profit formula, or you can get any formula from here. Target profit. Unit sale for target profit. See? You can easily get from Mr. Google, yeah? Yeah. Okay. Unit. that's my problem, yeah? That's why I cannot do the recording. Okay. Unit sale for target profit. Okay. Total cost. Total fixed cost plus target profit. Okay. You divide by contribution margin per unit. Okay. Or fixed cost plus required profit divided by contribution per unit. It is same. The formula is the same, yeah? Okay, fixed cost is under 150,000 plus RM 300 divided by 75. RM 75 ringgit. And then the answer is 6,000 units. This is the answer. Done. 2,000. Okay. And then D. And this one. Okay. Calculate new selling price to be charged if the business wish to earn a profit of RM 400 with sales volume of 10,000. Calculate the new selling price to be charged if the business wish to earn a profit of 400 with a sales volume RM 10,000. Okay. So this one, you have to use this formula. I'm not sure whether inside this slide presentation you got the formula or not. Let us check this one. Okay, target profit lah. Okay, this one. You can use this formula. Okay. You are willing to get the profit of RM 400,000. In order for you to get a profit, or FIP, sales must be minus by variable cost minus by fixed cost. This is the formula. Okay. Profit is RM 400,000. Yeah. Going to get. Okay, sales. What are the sales price? So sales price is SP. You don't know. Number of unit is units. This one is SP. Okay. You minus by your variable cost, 125 ringgit. You times by 10,000 units. You minus RM 150,000 fixed cost. So from here, what you will get, ini mathematical calculation, yeah, 10,000 SP minus RM 1.25 million. 250,000 minus RM 50. RM 400 plus RM 1250 plus RM 150 equal to 10,000 SP. Okay, you bring this 1250 here and here. Minus, minus, you bring here to the positive. So SP equal to around 400 plus by around 2 divided by 1,000. 10,000. So SP is 550. So you can reduce your selling price up to 150 in order for you to get your 400 ringgit, 400,000 ringgit, your profit. Okay, from 200 ringgit, and then you can reduce to 150 ringgit on the. So 2 marks this one.
Yes, you can. No, I'm not. I'm not doing it.
Okay. Okay. D. Now E. Okay. In the year 2023, the company wants to implement a new business strategy. Okay. If the business strategy is the new business strategy is implemented, direct material is going to increase by 10%. What you need to do is you just use all the formula given earlier and put the new figure, this one. Direct labor going to decrease by 5 ringgit, and overhead going to increase by 25 ringgit. Increase, decrease, increase. Increase, decrease, and increase. Selling price decrease to 95 per unit, and other costs remain unchanged. Okay. Okay. Then you need to calculate the break even again one more time by using the formula above. Okay, you've done this one time, and now you will do it again for the second time. Okay, easier for you lah. In the year 2023, the company wants to implement a new business strategy. And all this one. Okay. First of all, okay, this is quantity. Okay. Sales unit 10,000. Sales price 185. Ada material or unit. Increase by 10 ringgit. So increase before this is 70. So now 80. 70 plus 10. 80. Direct labor unit before this is 35. Now decrease by 3. 30. And production overhead increase. Okay. Increase from going to increase to production rate before this is how much? 20. Now increase to 25. 10,000, 80, 80, 80, 25. So the same thing, yeah, you have to use is, first of all, contribution margin. It's simple, yeah, because you have the formula before this. Okay. I am 185 minus and then 135. M 50 ringgit only. Okay, before this, you can compare before this how much and before this how much. This one. Yeah. A is 6 mark, B is 4 mark, okay. C is 2 mark, and D is 3. 3, D, E is 3. This one 1. Okay, and then BEP in unit. Okay, BEP unit, the same formula, yeah. Okay. C divided by 5. Equal. This cost remain, because remain divided by 15. So this one 3. Only 1 mark lah, because the formula we use the earlier one. 1 mark. 1 mark. Okay. And the last one is BEP in value. Equal to 3,000 units times by RM 185. So you get RM 555. 203. 3 months. Okay. And then the last one, E ni, E break even, and the last one is profit. Profit, right? So profit equal to still, yeah, Rm 185, 55 times 10,000 unit, okay, minus Rm 185 unit minus Rm 150. Okay, we get 250,000. So this one you will get 2 marks.
Stop. What's that? See what? Oh, it's
Okay, that's the end of this question. Okay, hopefully you understand what we are discussing today. This is question number 1. Okay, good luck all. Please study this year. Okay, see you. Assalamualaikum. Thank you.
Hi guys, are you doing it? Go back. No. We kept fire almost sleeping.